There are numerous instances in the mining and construction industry of near misses, injury and death when light vehicles and heavy earth-moving equipment get too close to each other. This video has been produced as a training tool to raise awareness in the industry of the possible consequences of collision. The following footage is a demonstration and was conducted under controlled conditions using the resources of Roche Mining and Henry Walker Elton at the Pasminco Century Mine in Queensland.